Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and ZIP packing or unpacking app on a Samsung Galaxy A23. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here find the app called RAR, it's RAR, hit the search button, select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch this app. Grant it all file access. And if you go back, the app will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.